Hi, I'm Kirsty Murray and I'm the author of Puddle Hunters, beautifully illustrated by Karen Blair. And Puddle Hunters is all about finding an excellent puddle so that you can splosh it. One of my favorite pictures in the book is Ruby in a puddle having a really good jump into that lovely muddy water. But today, even though I was hopeful that it would rain because the skies are grey, there's still no rain. I've got my puddle hunting stick, but the ground's all dry and the flowers, they've soaked up all the rain that came the other day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own puddle. What you need to make your own puddle is a watering can. So this is one of my special tricks when I really need to go puddle hunting and there are no puddles. I fill my watering can and I make a nice juicy puddle. I know this is a good spot because sometimes when it's raining and I look out the window, I can see that the water gathers here against the little stone wall. Lots and lots of water. Check how deep it is with my puddle hunting stick. Ooh, not very deep at all, quite safe for sploshing. Put down my watering can and splosh it.